go. Or something.
Hey guys, this is a new bike check. Just wanted to do a new one because I got actually a couple new parts. Actually, yeah, just like one or two. Anyway, I do have some judgment on the bike now that it has some wear and tear on it. There's really nothing bad about it. I really do like all the parts I picked out for it. The only thing that does bother me a little bit is the pedals. They're just, they wear down really fast. And they get like very wobbly, like the axles. That'll just like start wobbling on there, like this one right here. Anyway, I might just replace the actual pedal itself on there. So I guess I'll start off with my grips. I also got a new camera because the other one has gotten stolen. I got a Sony NEX 5T. Same everything, just different options. It's silver. I like it. Okay, so ODI long neck grips with ODI bar ends. I got S&M Perfect 10s, obviously 10-inch rise. An animal stem. I love this stem. Top load, and it also like extends my top tube length a little bit more, and it comes up a little bit more because like I get back problems when I ride small bars. So I got a Demolition headset. I love this headset. It's smooth. It spins right. You know, nothing really wrong with it. Sabrosa forks. I love these forks. These are the best forks I've ever had. Let's see. I got an Animal front hub, laced to an Animal rim, as you can see there. Primo spokes. These green alloy nipples. Animal butcher peg over there, and I also have one back there. Riding a Maxxis grifter in the front and in the back. This is Fit Wi-Fi frame. It's a 21.25 inch top tube length, really long, and it's got the really small back end. It's like a 12 or a 13, I don't know. I can do really good 360s on it. It allows for better spins, and I just like the top tube length. It's just better for me because I'm taller. I'm like freakishly tall. You can see Fit Wi-Fi right there. I took off the Nigel Sylvester seat because I just didn't like it. I like my Kink Sean Sexton seat better. This is probably the best seat I've ever had. This seat is outstanding. It's very comfortable, and it's a cheap fat seat, so why not? You can't really see it that well, but I'm riding an Animal Wedge pivotal seat post. It kind of sucks. I wouldn't, unless you don't have like anything here or like a clamp here, I wouldn't get it. But I still do like it. It's kind of like one of those extra things. So if you have problems with your seat moving, I mean, I guess why not? But alright, so I finally replaced the sprocket about 4 days ago. It's an Eclat sprocket. I love it. 25 tooth, and the little hole right here is a 20 millimeter, I think. I got 180 millimeter Animal Akimbo 3-piece crank set. I love these cranks. I highly suggest them. They're really nice. Let's see, I got premium pedals. I don't know what they're called, but they're just kind of iffy. I mean, I would get beefier pedals, but still, you can still replace it. So, I mean, if you have the money for that and you want to do this, these are good pedals. But that's probably the only thing wrong I have with this bike. It's just the pedals. But other than that, everything's fine. Let's see. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I have an FBM bottom bracket. I have a Shadow chain, Shadow Conspiracy, half link. Best chain I've ever had. It's an amazing chain. I don't know why everybody says it stretches out. It doesn't do that. It's just a really good chain overall. You don't have to worry about like anything going wrong with it. It's very thick and beefy. But yeah, it's a good chain. Let's see. I got a premium Stinger hub. Oh yeah, I also have a little bit of problems with the hub. I mean, it's not that loud, but that's probably because of just the stock springs in the hub. Other than that, it's really good. I do like the quick engagement. I can go faster with it and shit. This is Lace 2 and Animal Rim. Again, Maxxis Grifter tire. Animal Busher Bag over there. Let's see. Yeah, that's just about it. I will be having a another BMX edit coming out. I just got into bad, like really bad fail, like legit today. I will show you that at the end of the video. I'll have it in slow motion too. It is pretty funny. But yeah, overall it's a great bike. The parts are really nice. They hold together very well. They're very strong. It is pretty light. I didn't go for that, but it did end up being light. It's a nice bike. I highly suggest a lot of the parts on here. And that is it.
Yo, Wiz! Tell these niggas to step their passport up! Local jokers! Taylor Gang, what it do? Pittsburgh, what it do?
Holiday season.
Commission!
I be overseas, I be in LA, I be in the South, trapping hard all day. I'm from Pittsburgh, but I be in the Bay. I be in New York, I be in my A. I be in Chi-Town, where they quick to spray. I be in Detroit, where they getting paid. I be overseas, I be in LA, I be in New York, I be in my A. If you know me, you know I'm about my bread. I count $100 million before I go to bed. I'm smoking OG, I'm drinking champagne. I'm standing on the couch just throwing up my damn gang. I'm out at A-Town, about to go to mansion. My jewelry on so all my dogs is ready for the action. I'm in my old school, my niggas riding new. I'm in the fountain blue, like what you trying to do. I brought the whole thing, so that's what I'ma smoke. I spent the whole thing, I'm never going broke. I'm rocking gold chains, I'm drinking till I croak, smoking till I choke. My watch need a vote. Oh, I be overseas, I be in LA, I be in the South, trapping hard all day. I'm from Pittsburgh, but I be in the